Hello, Sanibonani, Molweni, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe and become part of this family. And if you are coming back, thank you. That's all I can say. Thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look. It's a pink cut crease type of vibe. It's very cute. So yeah, and I did do my eyebrows off camera for this look, but I do have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so if you'd like to see how I do my eyebrows, please check it out. I will link it down below, and let's get into it. So I'm gonna be using this nude Huda palette, Huda Beauty. Oh my god, it's a Huda Beauty palette. And I'm gonna be using those two shades. It's Love Bite and Fantasy. So I'm packing Love Bite all over my lid to prepare for my cut crease before I cut my crease. So I'm gonna be using that as a transition color. So yeah, that's what I am doing there. And then to cut my crease, I used my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. It's a very light shade, but I like it for my eyeshadow because it makes it pop like a little bit more. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using to cut my crease. And I used Fantasy all over there, over my cut crease. Fantasy. And then I used the same shade that I used as a transition color to blend with the other eyeshadow on my outer corners. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. Blend. And then I put my liquid eyeliner off camera to prepare for my eyelashes. And then I used my Pampers baby wipes to clean up my face before I apply my primer and foundation. So for my primer, I'm using this Rimmel primer. It's a primer and a setting spray. You can use it as a primer, you can use it as a setting spray. So yeah, I'm using it as a primer here. And then for my foundation, the interesting part, guys, I used this foundation. I got this foundation from Edgars. It's City Girl foundation, and I am in the shade Soft Beige. And this, guys, is very affordable, guys. You can't believe it. It's like, I think it was like 40 rands. It was 40 rands or 30 something rands. And it's very good, guys. It's very lightweight, and especially now that it's summer, it's very good. So I love this foundation so much, guys. I've been using it ever since I bought it. I think I bought it last year, and I use it on my clients as well. It's a very good foundation. The only thing is that it's not like really full coverage, so if you have dark marks, it's not gonna cover all that. Otherwise, it's very good, and it's very lightweight. It's easy to blend. So yeah, this is the foundation I am currently loving, and for the price, it's very good. Also, to blend my foundation, I used this. I used a beauty blender from Signature. Signature has very good beauty blenders. So I used a damp beauty blender, dump it in water, and yeah, that's what I'm using right there. To conceal my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm mixing it with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, the one I used for cutting my crease. So yeah, I'm mixing those two concealers together to highlight my face. Yeah, I'm just blending my concealer with my foundation with using a damp beauty blender. Guys, you must never use a beauty blender dry. Make sure that you dampen it first before you use it. And then to set my face, I use the Revlon Candid powder. This powder, guys, it's very good, and I'm in the shade I use the shade 002. It's very good. I love this powder so much, so that's what I'm using to set my concealer. So I am putting it in all the places that I've applied my concealer. And then to contour my face, I used this contour palette from Signature, and I love it so much. So I used those two brown shades there. I just mixed them, and yeah, that's what I'm doing there. Contouring my forehead, my cheekbones, and my nose. And then I'm just brushing off all the powder I put there to set my concealer. I'm brushing it off with my powder brush. And then I went back into my waterline with a black eyeliner to eyeline my eyes, my waterline. Can you look at that? Ooh. It's not too much. Yes, it's very good. For my lips, I'm using this brown pencil. This is the same pencil I use for my eyes. So I'm using it to line my lips. And yeah, and then I went back with my brush to blend the eyeliner that I use as a lip liner. So yeah, I blend it. And I use a nude lipstick. I can't remember the name of the lipstick, but I'll write it in the description box down below. So yeah, but you can use any nude color lipstick. So yeah. And then I use a lighter nude to lighten up my lipstick and create some ombre effect of some sort. So yeah. And then to set my face, I used the same setting spray that I used as a primer, the rimmel setting spray. Yeah, the setting spray helps your makeup to last longer.